Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And this is actually a new moon that I did not talk about earlier. It was a new moon on November 23rd, and I'm providing this lecture after the fact. So this is just for the sake of completion. This is a new moon in Sagittarius, which is really a high firepower in terms of what Sagittarius represents. And then Mars being the ascendant, on the ascendant, it's almost a fiery sort of look for things that have quick change. And so with Venus and Mercury over there in the new moon provides more of a some projects that you want to be working on, things that you are mercurial and what you're mentally passionate about. Now, this is trying to, even though it's in the 6th house, I would argue that this has an effect on the Mars on the ascendant. So there's kind of an opposition, kind of a tug-pull between between Gemini and Sagittarius. So there's the Sagittarius. This is Gemini. Mars is going retrograde for a second, but it's actually hugging there on the Gemini ascendant. Over here, Sagittarius. There's a lot going on in the 6th house, and then I'm going into the 8th house. So these are all the houses. Now you have on the 10th house, you have in the house of career, you have Jupiter, but there might be some haziness in terms of what it is that Jupiter is representing, and then so Uranus with the aspect of the personal planets actually have a wonderful, a powerful effect. So this is the conclusion of the new moon that took place on November the 28th, 2022. It was Eastern time, I believe 5 a.m. Yeah, 5:57. Anyway, so that concludes everything. Again, summarizing the Gemini, Sagittarius kind of dynamic tension, and everything else. Thank you for listening.